We're gonna find a position that is more or less comfortable. I'm gonna stay like this. If you prefer, you can start with your legs crossed just to sit for the moment if this is uncomfortable for you to stay in. To start by stretching your spine, feeling your chest lifted, feeling your shoulders and your neck relaxed. You can close your eyes, placing your hands on your thighs or your knees, palms facing down or up. Just take a moment to notice your breath, notice your body, notice your state of mind. Now let's get a little help keeping the spine straight. So we're going to imagine energies going in both directions. We're going to imagine the energy going down through your tailbone, through the floor, through the earth. And then we're going to imagine an energy going up through the top of your head, up through the roof, the sky. No matter what stretch we're in, no matter what movement you're doing, you keep these energies flowing through your spine the whole time, helping you stay long and stretched. Now you're going to take a deep inhale. You can open your eyes. You're going to lift the arms. Cross the fingers and push the palms up towards the sky. And from here, just pulse backwards, open the chest, open the shoulders, small pulses, breathe. Then we're going to do the same, pulsing towards one side, just a tiny lean. Keep pushing through the palms of your hands. And pulsing to the other side. Stay in the center, release. Once again, inhale, lift your arms. Crossing your fingers, palms facing up. This time we're going to go into circles. So you're going to start just circling your arms, tiny circles. Then you're going to see how the circles are spreading to your shoulders, to your upper back, chest. Breathe. You can make the circles a little bit deeper. And now stay centered. We're going to go the other direction. Start small, just circling the arms. Breathe. Then your circles are spreading into your shoulders, your back, your chest. Getting deeper and deeper. And now stay centered, take a deep inhale, pushing back. And exhale, curve, push forward. Inhale, push back, open the chest. Exhale, curve and push forward. And again, inhale, lift. Exhale, forward. Last one. And lift. Release your arms. Just take a second, roll your shoulders back. Make them relax. Relax your neck. And then we're again gonna lift our arms. Inhale. Exhale, pulling forward as far as you can. Lower your tailbone towards your heels, stretch your arms. Now just move your hips from side to side, allowing the lower back to release. Now starting from the lower back, we're going to curve all the way up. This time you're going to close your hands behind your back. Close your fingers together. Open up. Open the chest, looking up. Now we're going to curve forward. So you want your forehead more or less in between your knees, or as much as you can, pulling the fingertips up towards the ceiling. You can lift your tailbone off your heels if you want, curve your back even more. You can stay seated back. And slowly release, curving all the way back up. Roll the shoulders back. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, leaning forward, straight spine. Tailbone down towards your heels. Hold it. Move your back or your hips from side to side. Now slowly curve from the lower back all the way up. Wrapping your hands behind your back, opening the chest. Try to keep the palm of your hands together. And curve the back, forehead towards your knees. Lifting your hands up towards the ceiling. You can keep the tailbone at the heels, or you can lift slightly up. And slowly release, lifting all the way up. Roll the shoulders back. Breathe. Again, lift your arms. Inhale. Cross your fingers, pulling forward. Exhale. Now we're going to lift the chest. One hand goes under. Cross, and once again lower down as far as you can in two directions. Tailbone towards your heels, arms stretching forward, spine straight. Hold it. Again, you can massage your lower back by moving the hips from side to side. And slowly lift. Going forward, lift your chest, cross the other arm under, lower. Lift the chest. Going forward, breathe, and now curve from your lower back all the way up. Lift your arms, inhale. Cross your fingers, lifting up, exhale. And release. You're going to place the hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hip bones. Then you're going to Release your arms to the side. Inhale and exhale, curve under, looking up. Inhale, lift to the side. Exhale, curve. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. And exhale, twist. This time you're going to lift the arm all the way up towards the ceiling. Open up. And release. Lift your other arm to the side. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Last one. Open all the way up. And place your hand. Sitting back. Elbow towards your heel, stretching forward. And stay. Breathe. Feeling your body alive, so you're never stuck in a static position. Your body's moving the whole time. Slowly curving from the lower back all the way up. Lift your arms. And push backwards. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, curve forward. Inhale, lift, straighten your spine. Exhale, open up, push the elbows back, open your chest. Inhale, lift your arms. Cross the fingers, pulling up. Inhale. Exhale, curve. Inhale, lift. Open up. Inhale, lift the arms. Cross the fingers, pushing up. Inhale here. Exhale, curving forward. Inhale, lift. Open up. Last one. Stay, inhale. Exhale, curve. Lifting up. And over. Now hold it here, roll your shoulders back. Release. Release your neck. And come to a comfortable position. Your legs crossed or straight. Inhale, lift your arms. And exhale, lower. Place your hands at your heart, or one at your heart, one at your stomach. Just stay and breathe.